share a document in Office 365. Open your document and click on the Share button in the top right corner. You can do this with PowerPoints or Excel sheets as well. On this line, enter the name of the person you want to share it with. It might be your classmate, it might be your teacher. And when you start typing their name, it should pop up. Click on their name, and then you can write them a message. If it's your teacher, they'll receive an email with the message. If it's your classmate, they might not receive the message if you don't have email enabled. When you're finished, click on Send. Your teacher will receive an email, but your classmates might not. It will show up in their shared folder when they open their OneDrive and they click on Shared on the left-hand side. All of the files that were shared with them will show up here.